Good evening. So you're interested in some NFT scratchers. As part of the DeFi Kings and our NFT gaming ecosystem, we have NFT scratchers for you to earn some passive income. So right now we're on our DefiKings.io, our main webpage. Take a look around here and see some of the utilities that we have to offer. NFT Boxing Kings is going to be one of our first games that's going to be on the ecosystem. It's currently in beta right now, and we'll be having an upcoming sale for our poly NFTs for that game, which will be also part of that ecosystem going forward. Now on to the biglottery.io, which is a website where you can mint our NFT scratchers, which is why we're here. You'll notice that we have three options that will be going forward in order for you to buy your NFT scratchers. I use MetaMask on my PC a lot, so I created a new wallet here, so I'll connect that up. And you can see here that I have no rewards. And when you come into connect your wallet, it'll create a new user account for you. So I get a username with a number, and also you'll need to connect an email address which is connected to a PayPal account, which we'll do a future video on as well. But this PayPal account, when you earn your NFT scratchers, you earn fiat, and once you have more than $10 account balance, you can withdraw that through your PayPal account. So you will need to have an email connected to a PayPal account in order to earn money through the NFT scratchers. Or if you want to just free to play, you can scratch them and earn money that way as well. So in order to mint, we have a couple options that we have here right now. We have a minting of our Mega 7s, our Lucky 7s card, and then right now we have a DFK mint. So this is our Lucky 7s card and a DFK mint, which is a skins for DFK. We have three different skins that are available, and as we onboard additional partner projects, we'll have additional skins which will provide them with some passive income for those tokens, as well as some ongoing marketing for their tokens as well. So as you can see here, there's some options. The Mega 7s currently are selling for $100, and the DFK minting skins are $125. The prices of these will probably be going up in the future, so don't quote me on the prices right now. But as far as minting them, as you can see here, if you want to mint them with BNB, you just go in to make sure you have my MetaMask wallet is on the Binance Smart Chain, and then I click on mint, and then it'll pop open your wallet and you'll get charged the $100. I don't have any BNB in my wallet right now, so I'll just reject that and it'll go on forward. And if you want to actually do it in Polygon, pay with Matic, you just switch it over to the Polygon mainnet. I'll have to refresh this, and you'll see now that it's going to mint in Matic, and it will charge me 115, 114 Matic right now almost, and that you can pay in that as well. And that's the native chain for the NFT. So if you purchase in Matic, you'll go directly to your wallet. If you want to do the PayPal route through fiat, you click on this, the wallets associated that you're purchasing with that's connected. Click on the airdrop, and then it'll take you right through. You put in your email, mobile number, and connect your PayPal account. You can pay with fiat, debit or credit out of your account there. So by paying through BNB or using the PayPal version, these NFTs, because they are native on the Polychain, they will be actually airdropped to you once a day at 6 p.m. Central. And if you buy them in Matic and mint them there, that are actually dropped into your wallet automatically because they're native on that chain. So those are the options available right now in order for minting. You can do the similar thing with DFK and get our skins. If you want to get more than one, you can increase the quantity there, and you can buy those. I personally have some scratchers that I have available, and you can go into them, and once you've bought them, they go into the rotation here. People just click on a card. Your scratchers will be, as people come to the website, they'll be able to scratch your cards, and they get turned into rotation. You're also in your NFTs. I don't have any, but if you had any here, the cards would show up. You can click on the NFT that's available here, and you can actually share the URL that will be going. So as you have a scratch a ticket, it'll be biglottery.io, scratch off, and then a number, so number 25. And you can share that with people, and they can actually scratch your own ticket, and you'll be earning passive income in addition to those that are rotated through as people come on the website. So that's how you mint out our NFT scratchers. If you need some help getting along with that, pop onto the DefiKings.io, get into our Telegram, Reddit, or go onto our Twitter. Our Telegram's a little bit more active. Get in there and actually ask some questions. We also have a Discord as well. But get in and ask some questions around that, and we can help you out in minting these NFT scratchers and start earning you some passive income.